We back in the kitchen cooking, and we cooking baked spaghetti. Beefy and cheesy baked spaghetti. We already got that ground beef cooked in that spaghetti sauce. We got them spaghetti noodles cooked halfway al dente. Don't cook it all the way because it's going to continue to cook in the oven. You want to go ahead and coat your dish with some cooking oil spray. Spread out some spaghetti noodles. Now I'm using little eggs. That's going to help bind everything together. Now go ahead and spread that meat sauce all over. Get that all nice and coated. Spread it all out. Yeah, stir it all in. Stir it all in. Like I said, beefy. Stir some more in. Now we're going to add some mozzarella cheese. I'm using 2 packs of mozzarella cheese. Get it all nice and spread out. Spread that mozzarella out. Get it all nice and spread it out. Now we're going to go ahead and add some more spaghetti noodles. Like I said, halfway al dente, not all the way. Make sure you got the oven preheating at 325. Have the oven preheating at 325. Spread that spaghetti out. Then we're going to add some more eggs to this. Like I said, a binder. It's going to bind everything together. Put some more spaghetti sauce, meat sauce over it. And then add some more mozzarella. Cheesy. Then we're going to add some more meat sauce. Like I said, beefy. Beefy, cheesy spaghetti baked in the oven. Spread it all around. Now we're going to add some more mozzarella. Get it all nice and spread all over. Get it all nice and coated. Make sure you get it coated. Now I ran out of mozzarella, so I add some sharp cheddar. Just add a little sharp cheddar to it. Put it in the oven. 30 minutes later at 325. Baked spaghetti. Can't go wrong with baked spaghetti on a Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It don't matter. But let it cool before you decide to cut it. Because once you let it cool, this is what happens when you let it cool. After you let it cool, you're able to cut into it and pull it all out, and it does not fall apart. It don't fall apart. Baked spaghetti. Beefy, cheesy baked spaghetti. Subscribe if you like what you see. Like I said, it don't cost a fee. Thank you.